Well, hello and welcome. I am so excited you decided to join me. So if you're new, welcome. And if you are returning from yesterday, you know that we are just about to find out what piece we're going to be learning today for the 13th of December. So are you ready? Let's find out. So for today, we're going to be learning Jolly Old St. Nicholas. Now, this is a really fun song, and we're going to have lots of fun learning this piece together. But before we go on, I would like to introduce myself. I am Monta Monique, founder and creator of MoveOverMozart, the only place where you can learn music how you want, where you want, and when you want. Now, this is a little happy holidays from my family over at MoveOverMozart to your family. Now, I know this might seem a little bit of a challenge, but I promise you there are pieces for beginners and some pieces for new beginners with a little bit of experience. Now, I want you to go click the link below and download the free music I've created for you so you can play along with me right now. Some of the songs we're learning might be familiar to you, and some of them may be not so familiar. So if you're keen to learn each piece, there is a lesson, and I want to share with you quickly how we go about learning our music together. So the first thing we do is we always learn our right hand, and then we learn our left hand, and then we put our hands together. Now, at any point, if you have questions, you can DM me, you can leave a comment in the comment section below, and I will get back to you. And because we are learning 25 pieces in 25 days, I strongly recommend that you hit the notification bell, because I promise you, you won't want to miss one of these pieces. And of course, subscribe, because there are wonderful music tips and tricks to help you along in your musical journey. I'm also over at Instagram, so you can find me at #MoveOverMozart. Now, let's begin, because I know that you're ready to start making some beautiful holiday music. And now for the traditional American carol, Jolly Old St. Nick.